What's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. Today I will be showing off the Mecool Km1 Android TV box. Yes, it is running the Android TV operating system. Yes, it's fairly well. It runs great and everything. I done played with it for about a good day and a half. Everything seems to work, except for one. All right, this is the only disclaimer. It does not come with the Netflix app, and if you sideload the Netflix app, it will not give you the 4K capability. That's something Google and Mecool company will have to work out as far as certifying that application to display. So again, it is running the Android TV OS, the same one that runs the Nvidia Shield, the Mi Box, the TiVo Stream 4K device, and others. So we're going to get into this unboxing and go from there, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's go ahead, pop this boy open, show you everything that's in the box. So here it is right here. This is the Android box right here. Very, very nice. It comes protected with this plastic piece on it, if I can get it off. All right, here it is right here. Fairly plastic. This look like it's leather, but it's not. It is plastic. Right in the front of it, you will get this blue LED when it's on. When you flip it over, you got the micro right here, SD slot. You got the USB 3.0, and then you got a USB 2.0. So they give you two of them. All right. So you got the power. You got the HDMI out. You got the Ethernet port, and then you got the AV. Nothing on this side. When you flip it upside down, you do got the vents right here. That way it releases heat right there, and a couple of little rubber feet right here displayed right here. So again, this box is running Android 9, and again it is running the Android TV OS. Now it does come with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, the full Google Play Store. It definitely comes with the Amazon Prime Video. That will run 4K. All right, so just remember that will run 4K. Dual band Wi-Fi, so you'll get the 2.4 and the 5G network. And again, it's Google certified, and that's great. Opening up the box more, of course, you got the remote control. So let's open that up right quick. Very basic. It's nothing very special about it. All right. Power off. The mute button is at the top. You got your directional, and then you got your selector, that circle inside of the circle to go back home. Also, it comes with Google Assistant, volume up, volume down. So volume down, volume up. It does come with the dedicated hotkey of YouTube. Hopefully you can see that. All right. It's not displaying it too well, but you got the Prime Video, and then down here you got the Google Play, and it doesn't come with batteries, so you got to get the batteries. Of course, you got the HDMI, and of course the power. Now they do give you some type of manual. It's pretty cool and all of that, but you know, we don't be reading that, and it is what it is. All right, let's get this display on to show you what it's about. Okay, guys. Now, when you first plug it up, you will be greeted right here with this on your screen. Now, make sure you add your batteries to your remote control. All right. So make sure that goes in, and go ahead and put the cover back over. All right. So pay attention to the searching, connecting, and the success. All you have to do is press the volume, the minus, and then select the OK. All right. So when I press it, I'm pointing it at the box, and you'll see down there it says searching. Then you see it says connecting. You see the red dot, and then it's going to say success. As you see it right there, and then you greet it to this right here. All you have to do, guys, is click whatever country you're from and the language. I'm gonna say English, United States. And then right here, you will be prompted to set it up. You know, you can set it up with your phone, on the computer, either one. I'm gonna set mine up. You could do skip if you want to, but I would say go ahead and set it up. If you got a email, a Gmail, just go on and set it up, and then go from there. So I'm gonna set mine up right now, and then we'll get this party started. So once you're done, you should come to the terms of service. You must accept. So you click right here, accept. Right there, it's already highlighted for you. Now, if you want to give out your location, you can click yes. I'm going to click no. If you want to help improve Android, you can click yes if you want. I'm going to choose no. All right, it's letting you know that you can use Google Assistant, which is, it has the icon, this icon right here, so you can speak into the remote on your remote control. All right, so I'm going to just click continue. Right here, you got to click continue. All right, if you want to get your personal results, you can say turn on. If not, say no thank you. I'm gonna click no thank you. And then right here, guys, it's going to tell you all the applications, right, that will be installed. Now these down here that says from Mecool, these are going to be pre-installed. All right, courtesy of the device. And again, they go to Amazon Prime Video one. Of course, you get Android TV out of that one. All right, so all of these right here. And so you might say, Dale, well, you said Netflix will not be added. And Netflix is added because I do have it under my name, but it will not be in 4K. Sometimes it may not work. Okay, so that's why. But I'm not going to try it out on this video, but just know your Netflix may or may not work. And if it works, it's not going to be in 4K unless you go and get that special application. All right, that's the only disclaimer I have for you. But I'm going to click continue, which is right here. And then right here it says your KM1 is powered by Android TV. All right, letting you know you're going to run an Android TV. Then it's telling you you're going to have the Google Play. Then you're going to have Google Assistant. And you see it right there. You see it says not optimized for Netflix. It already letting you know. All right. So, and then you can cast to your TV. So if you got your Android phone, you want to cast to this device, you can. So it's going to load up everything, all the apps. And when it add all of the apps, guys, give your device at least about 3 minutes and then come back to it. Let it go through and do everything before you start clicking in. You know, it's just a one-time thing. Just give it time to add the applications. All right. And the way you know it, because all your applications will be over here in this red dot. So if I go over there and click the red dot, I notice all my applications. So you see some of them are gray. It is not there yet. So just give it about 2-3 minutes and go from there. So guys, after 2-3 minutes, you might get a black screen and it might come back out to the home page right here. All right, so if I go back into my red dot, which is right here, I click on there, I should have all my applications that I want installed. Okay, pretty simple as that. Very, very easy. Just working, everything is snappy, no hesitation or anything like that, guys. Now, I do want to go up to the Play Store right quick, which is right at the top where it says get more apps. And I do want to get this one application, all right? Maybe two, all right? So let's go over here to this little search icon right here. Once we click on that, you should get something like this. And let me go ahead and bring up the keyboard. And it's called Ada, A-I-D-A, which is right here. You'll see it right here, guys. So I do want that. So I'm going to install that one. And they're going to, it's already highlighted. So I do want that because this is going to give you a little bit more input on the specifications on this device right here. So once that's done, I'm gonna go back and Let me see if I have, go back into the apps. Let's make sure I don't have analytics. So I want to get that too. So go back here. I'm going to do a speed test, an internet speed test. All right. And we're going to go over here. Yep. So we'll go over here. Hold up, guys. I think I got analytics. Hold up, just to be sure. All right. And analytics is right there, guys. So this allows you to run a speed test, all right, to check your internet. So first things first, I will do a speed test on the Wi-Fi, which is already connected to my 5G network. So let me click on analytics. And you should see it right here. And we're going to check it twice to make sure it's nice, all right? So I paid for 350 megabytes per second on the download, and I paid for like 50 on the upload. As you see, very, very nice speed. But you know what I meant. You know, you always check it twice to be nice. All right, so we go back in just to make sure we're getting similar, if not better speed. All right, so as you see, 252 on a download, roughly anywhere between 50 and 55 on the upload, as you see right there. So it's pretty much consistent right there. All right, so one more thing I want to check. Again, you know, this is very, very easy. If you want to move some applications around, you can just click and hold it. You should get this move selector, and then you can move it right or left. If you want to add some apps, you'll go over here to this add button. If you click on it, then you can go down there and add some applications to it, and go from there. But I do want to show you the specs, that way you see it. Let's go to all apps, and let's go down here, and we're gonna go to Ada right there. And as you see in system, it tells you the device type, the manufacturer, the model, the brand right there, device, let you know it's Amlogic right there. All of this, I love this application right here because you get all the specs. All right, you get the RAM, it's telling you it's 4 gigs of RAM. The CPU, you get all of your information right here. Very, very nice, quad core. Display, you get all of this, the screen resolution. So if you're into specs, this is very, very nice. Your network is telling you you're on Wi-Fi and all of that. Android, telling you you'll run an Android 9 Pie. All of this information right here. And you can go down there, and then when you go to the apps, if you go over here, it'll show you all the applications that is on this device. All right, and what version it is, if you click on it and go from there. I mean, it's very, very, very nice. So like if I want to go down here to VLC, you can see the version and all that, guys. But I do want to display, because I did say I want to go into analytics, but I want to hook up the Ethernet cord. All right, so I want to go up here to settings. All right, you see I'm on Wi-Fi right there. So I'm going to click in there. I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi. And then you see where it says Ethernet, which is right here. You notice you don't have anything. Let me go ahead and plug up an Ethernet, because I want to show you that this box is only 10100. And we should get some information shortly. Hopefully I ain't got to go out and come back in. And it looked like I may have to go back out just to come back in. So let me go out and see how when I went out, it's telling me that his Ethernet is connected. So if I go back in, now I'm getting this. All right, it's telling me that I'm connected. So when I go back to my home screen and I go to analytics, I can click on analytics, and you see my speeds. Because this is only a 10100 box, not a 10100 1000 box, By being a 10100, it will not go past 100 megabytes per second. But when you have it connected Ethernet, it's more stable than Wi-Fi. All right. Last thing I want to show you, and again, I do want to show you this because you can also install your application. So if you have them on a flash drive, right? I love this application called File Manager. It is in the Play Store. If you have your applications on a flash drive, you can go in there and use this. And then click Allow. All right, so you know it is not saying anything. So if I put this flash drive, which I have in my hand right now, in here, you just watch up here. It will read it. All right, just like you see that. And right here, I can go into it and actually go down. And if I move myself over to this side, you can see it. So I can go in this June 2020 folder and I can install some applications. So I install B. I may have to go into the settings though, which is right here, and actually turn it on. All right, so I'm gonna turn that on and turn on Analytics. I can go back and turn on Analytics and File Manager. I'm at. Go back. Now when I want to install like BTV, I can just click on it. Go down here, down, and go and select Install. Make sure you select it, and it will install BTV. So it's very, very easy, guys, how to set up. If you've been following me, if you follow some of my videos, very, very easy to set up and add applications to this box. All right. So if I hit done and I hit the home, right, I can go over here to this plus. Remember this plus, and actually add that application right here, which is BTV, to my home screen, and then go from there. So it's a lot you can do with this. You can customize this. If you see this little red, or going to, not the red, but the going to left on the line that you choose, if you keep going to the left, it lets you know you can move. You know, see where it says selector, you can go down. You can actually go down. You can eliminate it and all of that, guys. It's very, very customizable. So if I want to move the Red Bull, I can go up, I can go down. It's pretty easy, guys. So you can do it just like that. That's all you have to do is select it and go from there. And like if I want to go up here and do YouTube, I can click on the selector. You see it's already highlighted in circle for you. You can click your selector. I could take it up and then drop it right there. All right, so it's very, very easy. You can get rid of them and all of that, guys. And maybe I'll do a separate video for that and then show you that. So if you don't want this line added, so Analytics, I don't want it added, I can go down here and you see now the minus is highlighted. I can get rid of it. So I can shorten up all of this. Spotify, I can get rid of it. All right. If I don't want any of this, or if I want to add it back, I could just go to customize channel and I can go down here and start adding it back. See Red Bull, I can click on it. All right. And I can turn it back on. All right. And then once I go out to the home screen, Red Bull is added right there. All right. So it's pretty good, guys. Look, check it out. Hopefully you like this video. If you like it, definitely thumbs up the video, guys. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Also, when you click that bell icon, make sure you click all. Click all. That way you get notified when I go live or drop any type of video. Guys, this is the Mecool, right? This is the Mecool, all right, right there. Km1 box. Very, very nice Android TV box. I will leave everything in the description and go from there. Guys, be safe, take care, and salute. This is Superdell signing out. See you on the next one. Peace.